Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Doosan DNM-400II. This machine was manufactured in 2013. It comes with a Fanuc I series control, a belt-driven 8,000 RPM spindle with through spindle coolant, a 36 by 18 inch table, 30 station side mount automatic tool changer. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Doosan DNM-400II. For any further questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy our videos, and we'll see you next time.